among the innumerable twinkling stars in the night sky is the beautiful moon. It shines down on Earth even though it is about 384,000 kilometers, 238,607 miles away. Do you know the moon does not have its own light? Yet it appears bright in the night sky. This is because sunlight falls on the moon and makes it look bright. Each night the moon looks different. On some nights we see the full bright side of the moon. On such nights the moon looks completely round. But on some other nights we see only a part of the bright side of the moon. The moon revolves around the Earth. And the Earth revolves around the Sun. The moon takes about 28.5 days to orbit the Earth. We are moving closer to the moon now. And you can see that the moon has mountains and deep craters. A crater is formed when a large rock from space hits the surface of the moon. Notice that there are no plants, animals, or human beings on the moon. Besides, there is no air on the moon, which is why there is no wind on the moon. Wow! The absence of air makes the sunlit parts very hot, and where there is no sunlight, it is very cold. What a stark difference from the habitable Earth. Let's head back to Earth now. But before we do so, look how small the moon looks compared to the Earth. The moon is more than 50 times smaller than the Earth. In other words, we could fit 50 moons inside the Earth. Wow! That's something to think about. Summary: the moon does not have its own light. Sunlight falls on the moon and makes it look bright. The moon has mountains and deep craters. There is no air on the moon, which is why there is no wind on the moon. The absence of air makes the sunlit parts very hot. Where there is no sunlight, it is very cold. The moon is more than 50 times smaller than the Earth.